Ever wanted to turn your ideas into viral videos or stunning visuals with just a few clicks? Feeling overwhelmed by juggling multiple AI tools for images, videos, animations, effects, and still not getting the look you want? This one platform is about to change everything. Introducing Pollo AI, your one-stop creative powerhouse for generating AI videos, images, and everything in between. From text to video, to image to video, even video to video transformations, Pollo gives you the tools to bring your imagination to life, fast. Want Pixar-style animation, Ghibli vibes, lip sync, face swap, or a twerking teddy bear? Yeah, Pollo's got over 150 viral effects baked in, and counting. And it's not just effects. It packs top-tier models like VO3, Runway, Pixverse, Luma, and more. So you're getting high-quality, stylized results without the tech headaches. Plus, there's even an API for developers and agencies who want to plug Pollo into their own workflow. Click the link in the description to try Pollo AI now. What you're seeing on the screen right now is the homepage interface of Pollo AI. And to sign up for an account, just click on the Start for Free button, located on the top right corner of the screen. Here you have two ways to create an account. The first way is to use your email address, and the second way is to use your Google account. To make things quicker, I'll go ahead and sign up using my Google account. Select your Google account, then click Continue. All right, after registration is complete, we'll be redirected to the main interface of the application. Over here on the left side, you can see the main features of the software. Now, let's go into the Explorer tab. This section showcases designs created by other users. You can check them out for inspiration. Below that is the AI video section. In here, you'll find all the video-related features. Taking a quick glance, we have image to video, text to video to video, and lip sync, which allows you to create characters that move their mouths according to the script you input. You can even create AI avatars, your very own virtual hosts. Below that are the features related to images. For images, you'll find features like text to image to image, and chat to image, where you can simply chat to generate pictures. Down here, there are also video effects. These are similar to the AI video features above, but the effects here come with pre-written prompts. That means you just need to add your image or character video, and based on a specific prompt, it will generate effects like the ones you see here, such as a kissing effect, a bikini outfit, riding a dragon, or even flying. Lots of fun effects for you to explore. Same goes for images. There are preset effects available. You'll see a list of trending styles that are super hot on social media right now. Okay, in this video, I'm going to guide you through some of the main features of the software, specifically the video creation and image generation tools. Starting with video creation. One of the most popular features is image to video. To access it, click on Image to Video right here. All right, this is the interface for creating videos from images. You'll see different AI models for generating videos. The default one is Pollo 1.6, which is Pollo's built-in AI. You can also choose from other models like Kling, Google VEO3, Hiwo, Runway, and more. For now, I'll stick with the default, Pollo 1.6. Below, you'll upload your image. I'll choose mine. Next, you can select the video ratio, square, landscape, 16:9, or vertical, 9:16. I'll go with 9:16 to match the image layout. Then comes the prompt box. This is where you type in how you want the image to move. You can either type your own prompt, or let the AI help you by clicking Generate with AI. Enter your idea. Keep it short, and the AI will expand it for you. Here's my idea. Click Continue. Now I'll choose a prompt style I like. If I'm not satisfied, I can generate more. Scroll down. Pick one. I'll go with the first, then click Confirm. You can also choose the length of your video, from 5 to 10 seconds, and set the quality from 480p to 1080p. But remember, higher quality means more credits. To save credits, I'll pick 720p. Then choose the number of videos to generate from 1 to 4. I'll go with 2 videos. Now check the Public Visibility section. By default, your videos will be public, meaning they'll show up in the Explorer tab for others to see. If you want to make them private, you need to upgrade to the paid version. Same goes for hiding your prompt from others, also a paid-only feature. I'm using the free version, so I can't change these settings. As you see, I selected 2 videos. That'll cost me 20 credits. Click Create to start the process. Okay, and the software has now created 2 videos based on the image I uploaded. Let's check them out. Nice! The first video has falling leaves and a moving frame. Very dynamic. And the second one, it shows the character riding a bike and raising its hand, even some body language in there. I like the second one better, feels more expressive. So that's how you create videos from images. There are other features too, like text to video. Let's try it. Just input your text here, and the software will generate a video based on it. I'll reuse the same prompt I used earlier for image to video. Paste it in. Choose Pollo 1.6 again. Other models like Google Veo 3 cost more credits, so I'll stick with Pollo. Set the resolution to 480p to save points. Vertical layout again. Select 2 videos. And hit Create. All right. The software has created 2 videos from text. Honestly, the video quality from text only isn't as good. Compared to when we use a ready-made image and animate it, that method gives much better results. So in my opinion, you should always create image first, then animate it, for best quality. That wraps up the video creation features. Now, let's move on to image generation. In this section, we've got several tools. First up is text to image. Like before, you'll select an AI model. Options include Flux, default, Imagen 4 from Google, ChatGPT's AI, Stable Diffusion, DALL-E. I'll go with the default, Flux. Next, you can pick an image style. Lots of styles to choose from, like 3D, cartoons, pets, food, anime, game characters. I'll pick the first style here. Now, enter your prompt, or let the AI help you build one. Here's my idea. Click Continue. Select a generated prompt you like. I'll pick the first one. Choose the image ratio. I'll go with 16:9 landscape. Each image costs 4 points. I'll create 4 images for 16 points. Click Create. And the software has generated 4 different images based on my prompt. You can download them, but with the free version, there will be a watermark. If you want watermark-free images, you'll need to upgrade to Premium. These look quite good. Once your image is ready, you can do more. Convert it into a video, transform it into another image style, or regenerate with a new prompt. There are also options to enhance quality, remove background, delete objects, or create similar images. I like this one. I'll download it with watermark. Next, let's explore the image-to-image feature. Click on it on the left panel. Upload your image. I'll use the one we just made. Here it is. Now I'll change the style of the image. Pick a new style. Since I'm only changing the style, I won't enter a prompt. Choose how many images you want. 4 images cost 20 points. Click Create. Done. the software has created 4 new images with a different style. They look quite similar, not a huge difference, but if you want to add more objects or elements, just enter your prompt. All right, that's the image-to-image feature. As I mentioned earlier, many effects come from pre-written prompts. All you have to do is upload your image and it will apply the effect, matching the sample styles you see here. There are a lot of trending effects to explore. Since this video is getting long, I'll review those effects, both for video and image, in the next episode. Stay tuned. Ready to start creating AI-powered content that actually stands out? Hit that link below to try Pollo AI and make something amazing today. Whether you're a creator, marketer, or just want to have fun with insane effects, Pollo gives you the power of pro-level tools without the learning curve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.